Welcome to the Learn to Know. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.
Informal contractions.
Informal contractions.
Gimme equals give me. Now give an example.
Give me the pen.
Excellent. Now the next one. Don'tcha equals don't you. Now give an example.
Don't you see it?
Great. Now go ahead. Don't know equals don't know. Now give an example.
I don't know.
Nice. Now the next one will be. Gonna equals going to. Now give an example.
I'm gonna go.
Good job. Keep it up. The next one is. Sorta equals sort of. Now give an example.
She's sorta tired.
It's a good example. I'm so pleased that you are doing well. Lemme equals let me. Give example.
Let me see.
Not bad. Very good, dear student. The next one is. Have to equals have to. Give example.
We have to go.
Oh, you are performing great job. Keep it up. The next one is. Ya equals your. Give example.
I miss ya.
Sounds good. I'm very happy that you are keeping in mind. Out of equals out of. Give example.
I'm out of money.
Wow, wonderful. Very good, dear student. The next one is. Gotta equals got to. Now give an example.
You've gotta go.
Oh my God, outstanding. I'm very happy that you are listening to me thoroughly. Need equals need to. Give example.
You need to know.
Fantastic. I'm so pleased that you are doing well. Keep it up.
Give me the pen. Don't you see it? I don't know. I'm gonna go. She's sorta tired. Let me see. We have to go. I miss ya. I'm out of money. You've gotta go. You need to know. Thanks for watching this video up till the very end. Bye-bye.